Friends, welcome back to Novita Creations. Today I am explaining exam style different type of graph questions. For example, sometimes in GCSE Maths exam, they will ask draw the graphs for the following equations: y equal to 2, x equal to 2, y equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 4 and y equal to 5. We need to show this one. First we need to, when we see the graph, we need to know this is x-axis and this is y-axis. After that, we need to show y equal to 2. This is 2. So on y-axis, this is 2. Isn't it? Is that correct? Yes, it is correct. So how can we show on the graph y equal to 2? We need to mark like this, and then this is y equal to 2. You need to draw this line and you need to write this is y equal to 2. You need to show like this, and then we need to show x equal to 2. Where is the x-axis? This one is the x-axis. So where is the 2? This is 2. So this line is x equal to 2. We need to draw a line and we need to show this x equal to 2. This is the way we will show these equations on the graph. And we need to show now y equal to minus 3. This is y-axis, we know that. And minus 3 is here. So we need to put the scale like this and draw a line and this is y equal to minus 3. Now we need to show x equal to minus 4. This is the x-axis. This is minus 4. So we need to draw a line and this is x equal to minus 4. We need to draw line straightly and that is x equal to minus 4. We need to put the scale like this and we need to draw a line and we need to show x equal to minus 4. And now we need to show y equal to 5. Y-axis is this one. So this is the line. We need to draw a straight line like this and this is y equal to 5. We need to show equations on the graph like this. Sometimes they will ask this question for 2 or 3 marks. I hope you like this explanation. Now I am showing another type of graph. Sometimes in exam they will ask this type of question. So on the grid shown above, plot points A minus 3 comma 4, B 4 comma minus 5, C 2 and minus 1. So we need to know minus 3 is on x-axis, 4 is on y-axis. Same like this. And first we will plot a minus 3 comma 4. So minus 3 is here on x-axis. This is x-axis. Minus 3 is here. 4 y-axis is here. So minus 3 comma 4. So we need to plot like this, and we need to show a minus 3 comma 4. And then we need to plot b. They given 4 and minus 5. So on x-axis it is 4 and on y-axis it is minus 5. So x-axis 4 and y-axis minus 5. And we need to write b is 4 minus 5. And we need to show c. Sometimes these questions will be for 2 marks or 3 marks in GCSE Maths exam. So c is 2 comma minus 1. So on x-axis c is 2 and y-axis minus 1. So we need to plot like this, and we need to write like this. In this question they asked only you need to plot the points on the graph which they are given coordinates. Next we are moving to another question. This is another exam style graph question. On the graph paper given below, plot the point a minus 2 minus 5. So we need to just plot the point minus 2 and minus 5 here. So on x-axis minus 2, y-axis minus 5. So x-axis, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So x is minus 2 and y is minus 5. So a is here minus 2 comma minus 5. So we need to plot a coordinates of minus 2 and minus 5 like this. And use pencil when you plot this. I am using pen, but in exam use pencil. Write down coordinates of the point marked B. They already plotted B. We need to write coordinates of the point. So what is the x-axis? Minus 3. What is the y-axis? 2. So B is minus 3 comma 2. We need to write B equal to minus 3 2. B coordinates are not equal to. B is showing minus 3 comma 2. These are coordinates. Sometimes they will ask this question for 2 or 3 marks in our GCSE Maths exam. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe, like, share, comment Novita Creations. Please recommend our channel to your friends. Please hit the bell icon to get future video notifications from Novita Creations. Bye. I will see you soon with another video.